Hey everyone, welcome back to the Eassiy official channel. If your iPhone is stuck on the iPhone lock to owner screen and you can't reach the previous owner, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to safely unlock your device. We'll look at 3 free options and 1 expert tool that works when nothing else does. Part 1. Bypass without the previous owner. Method 1. Use Passixer iPhone Unlocker. The quickest and most reliable way is to use Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Here's how it works. Download and install Passixer on your computer. Connect your locked iPhone. Click on Bypass iCloud Activation Lock. Follow the jailbreak steps on the screen. Then, just wait for the tool to remove the lock. In about an hour, you'll have full access again. No Apple ID, no password needed. Method 2. Use an IMEI unlock service. If you prefer an official remote solution, contact a trusted IMEI unlock provider. Share your iPhone's IMEI number, wait for the Apple server update, and your device will be permanently unlocked as soon as the process is done. This method works best for iPhones that are not locked to a carrier. Method 3. DNS bypass. Temporary access. For limited access to a locked iPhone, try the DNS bypass method. On the Wi-Fi settings screen, tap the info icon, then tap Configure DNS and choose Manual. After that, add a regional DNS server, like 104.154.1.7 for North America. Go back, connect to Wi-Fi, and tap Activation Help. This will give you temporary access to features like Mail, Maps, and YouTube. Part 2. Bypass when you're the original owner. Way 1. Reset your Apple ID or password. If you are the rightful owner but can't log in, you can recover your Apple ID at iforgot.apple.com or contact Apple support to reset your account. Once you get access back, the activation lock will automatically disappear. Way 2. Contact Apple for unlock. If you have proof of purchase, you can visit alsupport.apple.com to submit an online request to remove the activation lock. The Apple team will verify your details and remotely unlock your device. This usually takes a few days. So let's quickly recap, shall we? For most users, Passixer is the safest and easiest solution. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Eassiy official channel. Check the description box for the full guide and download links. Thanks for watching.